Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is CK, and today we are going to be doing the unboxing of the Mi Band 5, the Xiaomi Mi Band 5. So if you haven't checked out my last video I did on the Xiaomi Mi Band 4 running with an iPhone as well as the Nike Run app, please check it out. I'll link it up here, and let's go to the unboxing. Oh, before I forget, please make sure you subscribe to the channel as well as clicking on the bell icon. It helps me a lot. So let's go look at the unboxing. When I received it, I was surprised it was coming from France, as I ordered via mi.com and I was based in the UK, but not that I'm complaining. It got delivered via DHL. It was pretty quick, not too bad. Yeah, so here we have the box. I really like the box. Number 5 is embossed and it's got a holographic feel to it. On the side it shows you all the modes and functions that it has. Here it was said that it's imported from the Netherlands in Xiaomi, and on the back here it shows you all the specs that you have. So let's get opening. So I tried to open it from the back and bumped into some issues. So let's try again from the top. And instantly, once you're inside, you have so this is the charging cable, and you find the Mi Band 5 itself and a manual, and that's it. A quick read through the manual, and we are straight into checking out the Mi Band 5. Both the Mi Band 5 as well as the charging cable comes protected in their own plastic bag. And there we go, the Mi Band 5 straight out the box, Global Edition. It looks and feels very similar to the Mi Band 4, perhaps just a touch slightly thicker on all areas, and it tells you to pair it first before doing anything else. So let's go check out the charging cable. You take it out, and this is slightly different to the Mi Band 4, where this is a magnetic charger, so somewhat similar to the Apple Watch style. So let's go pair the Mi Band 5. So pairing the Mi Band 5 is pretty straightforward. Here you have the Mi Fit app, and you tap on top right corner, you add a new band, and it starts searching for the band, and you get a buzz on the watch. You click OK, and there you have it. So once you've paired, you need to activate the watch. So here I've accidentally clicked cancel, so now I have to repair it. However, it tells you that because I've had a Mi Band 4 paired to it, it needs to clear that, so it can only be paired to one watch at one time from one phone. And after pairing your Bluetooth settings, you need to allow that, and it tells you what's new in the Mi Band 5 from the Mi Fit app itself. So it's pretty straightforward, you just follow the instructions. And I also decided to update the Mi Band 5 as well, so I just click update on the Mi Fit app and it just sorts itself out. So let's take a look at the magnetic charger for the Mi Band 5 now. So it's just one little USB cable. At the end of it, it's got 2 pins magnetically attached to the Mi Band 5 when you're close to it. However, if I was to be really nitpicky, if you have the orientation of the pins not in the right way, sometimes the magnet struggles to latch on in the right orientation, so it'll just do that. But if you twist it around, then it will catch absolutely no problem. But this is me being really nitpicky, but I thought I'd point it out. Definitely not a deal breaker for me. Definitely a big step forward compared to the Mi Band 4 charger, which we are looking here. So here, the Mi Band 4, you have the separate charger, comes with a USB cable, and you need to pop your Mi Band 4 out from your watch case, and you then slide it onto that case, sit it in, and you charge it. Once you're done charging, you take it back out and you have to put it back into the watch. I remember when I first started trying to charge it, I had a hard time trying to pop the watch out from the case, but then so this one, really straightforward for the Mi Band 5. Latch on, off you go. So let's take a closer look in comparison of the Mi Band 5 with the Mi Band 4. So right out the box, they look really similar physically and aesthetically. You can only feel that the Mi Band 5 is only slightly thicker and slightly more well built, I guess, in all areas. You won't notice this unless you put them side by side. The separation of dots on the band itself on the Mi Band 5 is slightly narrower, so it gives you a better fit on the wrist, I guess. And you can also see that the Mi Band 5 has a magnetic charging port, so whereas the 4, it doesn't have that magnet in. But aesthetically, the screen on the 5 is slightly wider than the 4. We're going to take a closer look at the screen, because the screen real estate for the Mi Band 5 is 1.1 inches, whereas for the 4 it's 0.95 inches. So you're getting that 0.15 extra inch of screen real estate here. Hopefully you can see the difference in the screen size with the lines that I've drawn on screen to have a feel of how big the difference are. And weight wise, they're definitely negligible, and you can see both of them here on my wrist for comparison too. So there we have it. What do you think about the Mi Band 5 in comparison to the Mi Band 4? Let me know down in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe and click on the bell button to be notified when I release a newer video about the Mi Band 5 once I've spent some time with it. And thank you again. See you next time.